These items are things that have actually saved me on trips. Item number one, a small motion sensor nightlight. You can turn it on all the way if you want to have a soft glow at night, or you can put it on auto and then it will only turn on when someone walks by. It runs on 3 AAA batteries, very small and light, and be sure to bring a set of backup batteries in case you run out of battery power. And this will save you in the middle of the night when you have to get up and pee. Because let's be honest, that happens a lot more often now than we would like it to. And it will protect you from stubbing your toe on furniture. Yes, that has happened to me. It will keep you from turning on a bright light, maybe disturbing your travel partner. And sometimes you can't even find the light switch because it's not where you think it should be. Bring along a motion sensor nightlight. Even Ed the Explorer doesn't like running into furniture in the middle of the night. Item number two, magnets with hooks. This is especially important if you're going on a cruise. Why? Because the walls of cruise ship cabins are metal, and cruise ship rooms are noted for not having very much storage, right? Magnets will add to your storage space. I use them in Antarctica on my cruise to hang up my parka, my mittens, my scarf, my hat. I had them all right next to the door. So when they called our excursion number, all I had to do was grab my things and run out the door. Item number three, binder clips. What are these for, you ask? To clip together the curtains that don't close all the way when they meet in the middle. And that happens quite often too. If you're a person who needs darkness to sleep, bring along the binder clips to shut the curtains completely. I use these on my Antarctica trip because there the sun set during the time of year I went over Thanksgiving was at midnight, and the sun came up again at 4 a.m. If you need darkness to sleep, the binder clips will help you close those curtains. You can also use the binder clips to seal up that potato chip bag you brought into the room to have snacks for later. And you could even use it to clip your towel to your beach chair. You may find other uses for it. Who knows? Bring them along. Item number four, Ziploc baggies. Couple different sizes. What are those for? Say you decided to go for a swim in your hotel right before checkout. Your swimsuit is wet and you don't have time to dry it. Stick it in the baggie. You can pack your bag and be on to your next destination. You won't get wet swimsuit all over your dry clothes. Another thing I use it for, you went to the breakfast buffet and you picked up a little something extra to take with you to hold you through lunch. Put it in the baggie, throw it into your backpack. You're ready to go. Your travel shampoo bottle sprung a leak. Put it in the Ziploc baggie. Protect the rest of your items. Item number five, the pill organizer. This holds 16 different pill packets. You can buy these pouches separately, and you organize your pills in there. And I will tell you, never in all of my years of traveling have I been asked about having a prescription bottle that my prescription meds go in. I know this has been a subject of controversy for a while. I have never once had anyone ask me for a prescription. I do not travel with heavy narcotics. Perhaps that's why, but I always put every pill I need for each day in the pouch. It goes into the organizer, and that is a way to make it very compact and organized. In the back of that pill organizer, there's a pouch. You can add Advils, Band-Aids, take along some over-the-counter stuff for your stomach, Pepto-Bismol, Imodium. I was so glad when I got food poisoning from some oysters in Croatia that I had those meds with me. I would not have wanted to be trying to find a pharmacy in a foreign country where I don't speak the language, and I really was too sick to even move. Packing over-the-counter meds along with your pills will give you peace of mind. Ed the Explorer likes being organized when we travel. None of these things are expensive, and they don't take up a lot of room. But what they will do is make your retirement travel more comfortable and easier. And isn't that what it's supposed to be all about now? If you're retired and ready to travel, subscribe to my channel. I will give you more retirement tips and tricks. And leave me a comment. Let me know something that you never travel without.